Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone as remote for TV. If you want to use your iPhone as a remote for your TV, follow these easy steps. Check your TV compatibility. Ensure your TV supports IR, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth remote control features. Smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, Roku, Fire TV, etc. often have compatible apps. Download the right remote app. Based on your TV brand, download the remote app from the App Store. Apple TV. Use the Apple TV remote built into Control Center. Samsung Smart TV. SmartThings app. Google Android TV. Google TV app. But today, we will choose to use remote for Android. Connect your iPhone and TV to the same Wi-Fi. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network for the remote to work. Open the remote app. Launch the remote app by tapping open and follow the on-screen instructions. Like grant necessary permissions. Allow the app to access Bluetooth, local network, and Wi-Fi if prompted. Instructions to set it up. Pair your iPhone with a TV. Some apps require you to enter a pairing code displayed on your TV. Now, hit connect on your iPhone. Here, we need to know what's the code on your TV. On your TV, pair the displayed number and put it on the code box. Then hit submit. Here, you can provide a nickname. Then hit done. Test the remote controls. Try using basic functions like power and the top right, volume on the bottom left, channel control and the bottom right, etc. Use voice commands. Some apps like Google TV or Fire TV allow you to use voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant, or just tap on microphone on this app. Enable keyboard input. Many remote apps let you type using your iPhone's keyboard, making it easier to search by tapping the keyboard button next to the volume on the bottom left. Adjust TV settings via the app. By going to settings in the top left, some apps allow you to change input sources, picture settings, remote layout, remote behavior, etc. Keep the app updated. Regularly update the app by going to the App Store and search for the app to see if there's an available update to ensure it works with the latest TV firmware. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.